All right, so quick story time. Someone contacted me and wanted to sell their property in Jamaica. Initially, when I start conversations with prospects, I use the 5 W's: who, what, when, where, and why. Who's selling the property? What is the property, or what is the real estate property? Is it a house? Is it a townhouse? Whatever, etc. Who, what, when do you want to sell it? When are you planning to execute this transaction? And like, what is your timeline? Where is the property? And why? Why are you selling it? Or what's the deal in your life situation that you want to get rid of this property? So that's what I start with. So this person contacted me and said, I have a real estate property in Jamaica that I want to sell, and they are here in Canada. And the first thing, like, okay, I need a copy of the title. I need to see who's registered as the owner on the property first thing. That's number one. And this is what they responded. Well, you know, I'm the title, and me can't be bothered with the next person because they can't even contact them. They don't even know where they are or anything like that. So I'm just like, well, how do you expect me to sell the property if one owner is you and the other owner, you don't even know where they are, or you can't get in contact or get a hold of them? It's not going to happen. So what I advised them to do is go find that person, and you gotta pick and choose the vibe of people, because people will try and sell property without the other owner behind their back. The right way of doing things, you need all owners on title to sign the listing agreement and push through the transaction. You can't just go sell something that it doesn't fully belong to you. That doesn't make any sense. But it happens. And some people just transfer titles over to people without authority or even following rules. And like, I know a situation right now where family, brothers and sisters, literally just transferred the title into another sibling's name and did not even notify the rest of the family. Like, what is happening? What is happening? So these type of things happen all the time. But as for me as a realtor associate, doing the right thing, I need to know who is the owner of the property, and I need to have a conversation with every single owner and make sure you guys are all on the same page. So anyone that calls me and says, I have a property that I want to sell in Jamaica and I don't know where the owner is and I don't have a title, the title is not even the issue, because we can get the title on 𝕡𝕚 Jamaica. That's not the issue. But if I cannot have a conversation with all the owners and know that all you guys are in cordial agreement of selling this property, then I am not the realtor associate for you. Okay? For a fact, it's not even going to get through the compliance to even list the property if they don't see both people on the listing agreement that they are agreeing to sell the property. So please go try somebody else.